Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you would like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we'd greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch at JazzTime.com. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 36 Pink Mother of Pearl stainless steel on Jubilee bracelet. Reference 126200. Custom diamond bezel, diamond dial. I'm going to talk to you guys about the dial, the bezel, the case, the bracelet, the movement, try it on, and give you my thoughts. So let's dive right in. As I said, this watch is a custom custom diamond bezel, diamond dial combination. What did it look like before? Well, it looked something like this, with this dial and this bezel. We at Jazz Time put this diamond bezel on it and this pink mother of pearl dial on it, custom diamond dial, pink mother of pearl. Now you can choose whatever dial color that you want, and we can put that in. This customer just happened to choose pink mother of pearl. That means it's like a pink color, obviously, and mother of pearl has, you see how it has these sort of like, looks different in different shades. It has white, a little bit of like greenish, a little bit of pinkish. It just looks, it's not flat pink. Well, that's what mother of pearl is. And of course it has real diamonds at the hour markers, and of course real diamonds on the bezel. Now I said this is a 36 millimeter from my thumb to my index finger. Rolex makes their Datejust in 28, 31, 36, and 41, so we make all of those in any combination of color and bezel that you want. If you want it custom, we also sell it as it comes from the factory. This customer just happened to want it with pink mother of pearl. Now, Rolex also makes a very similar version of this as 126384, I believe is the reference number, and they make it with a original diamond bezel and original diamond dial, but it costs a lot more money, somewhere around, I think, almost $20,000. I think that's around the retail price of it. Now, if you, or something like that, it's in the high teens. So what we did at Jazz Time is we take the base model, which is 126200, with this flat dial. We took the bezel off, like that, put the diamond bezel on, and added the dial. So what I can show you here is the bezel. Okay, the bezel is an aftermarket bezel, but it still uses real diamonds, and you can see it fits perfectly. It's flush and it's still watertight, which looks very beautiful. If you look at it this way, it gives the watch a much bigger appearance, and this is what the bezel looks like when you take it off. Okay, and when you take it off, you'll notice it sort of has this place that you put a gasket on the inside that keeps it watertight, and boom, you take it off. Okay, now as far as the dial, this is the original dial. Okay, and let me kind of take this off for you guys so you can see. That's what a dial looks like. Dial and bezel. Or dial, sorry, this is what the dial looks like. So you simply take it off, remove the hands, remove obviously the back of it, and put on the new dial. Not that difficult if you know what you're doing. Okay? Alright, anyhow, so that's the part that has an addition, but the rest of the watch is all original. Now, Rolex isn't going to warranty your watch anymore if you modify it, just like if you take your Mercedes-Benz and you change, I don't know, something on the hood or the I don't know, the fender or something like that. They're not going to honor the warranty anymore, so you would actually have to use our warranty at Jazz Time, which is a 1-year warranty. I guess if you really wanted to, or if you have any issue, you could always send it back to us. We could fix it for you. Not a whole lot of issues with watches, considering they only do one thing, which is tell time. We could always fix the issue for you. Now, okay, since I've talked to you about the case, I've talked to you about the dial, talked to you about the bezel, let's move on to the bracelet. The bracelet is a Jubilee 5-piece link with a folding Oyster clasp with 5mm comfort extension. Now, what does that mean? Well, the older reference number 116200 had a concealed clasp, but the newer version has a folding Oyster clasp that you see like this. And what the benefit to that is, you simply can undo the bracelet a little bit to give you 5 millimeters extra of length, which is very beneficial in like when you're hot or cold. You can adjust your bracelet accordingly. Now, some people don't like the concealed clasp, so if you don't like that, I'm sorry, some people don't like the non-concealed clasp, which is this one. So if you like the original, you can still buy that original on jazztime.com. But if you like this one, then of course you can buy this one as well. Now, what are my thoughts? I actually like it that it has this buckle on it. Why? Because I feel like it gives the watch more symmetry. It gives it a front, middle, and back, as opposed to if this whole bracelet was all looking like this. It just makes it more symmetrical. It gives it like a front, middle, and back. And I think most watches, you need that. On the smaller watches you don't, because it looks more like a bracelet, but this is a bigger watch. It's 36 millimeters. So the person that could wear this is a woman who likes to wear larger watches, or a man who likes to wear smaller watches, although a man probably should not wear pink unless he's gay. So I think if you like this watch, let's move on to the movement here. The movement is a caliber 3235. Now, that's also different. The older version had a 3135. Now, I can't open the back just so you can look at it, but I'll tell you it's precise to 2 seconds a day and has a power reserve of 70 hours, which is an improvement on what it used to be. And if you've actually looked at the movement, which I have, you'll notice that the movement looks a lot better. Although it doesn't really matter that you can't see it. I will tell you something else about this watch, is that the case on this is the newer Datejust 36 with reference 126200, which replaced the 116200. And if you look at the lugs here are much skinnier. Okay, they're skinnier, which I do like. And before they were a lot fatter, which gave the watch kind of a funky look to it. It looks much more streamlined with these skinny lugs on it. Okay, as I said at the beginning of the video, I would tell you my thoughts, but not before telling you where you could buy this watch. If you like this watch, please go to jazztime.com, JAZTIME.com. That's why we make this video, so customers like you can look at it and buy it. Now, here are my thoughts. Okay, my thoughts are, well, if you can afford, high teens, like $15,000, $20,000 for your stainless steel watch, by all means, buy the original. Although Rolex doesn't make it in pink MOP. But if you can afford that and it's no big deal to you, you should always buy the original. Now, if you can't, or you don't want to, which is a lot of people, the situation a lot of people are in, they maybe have the money, but they don't want to spend, almost $20,000 to buy the original. Although if you want to buy the original, please go to jazztime.com. They want to buy something that looks like the original, still is original, but just slightly modified. Then this would be the watch, because it's still, in every way, is still a Rolex. It's actually, the only parts that are changed is this stainless steel bezel, and as I said earlier, this dial. And it looks the same, it is the same. Well, it's not exactly the same, I mean it's close. So, but you're paying half the price, and we're charging around $8,000, $9,000, something like that for this watch, at least as of 2020. So it's quite a bargain, and yeah, for the price point and everything, it's pretty much a bargain. And we can choose, we can make it in any dial configuration you want. If you want it in blue, red, yellow, green, black, white, silver, whatever color you desire, we can do that for you at jazztime.com. So, in my opinion, it's a great watch for the value. And 36 millimeter, I would suggest only those who want to wear large watches. Women who want to wear large watches should get 36. If you like to wear small watches, or at least a watch that is more fitting to you, you should see our 31 millimeter, and we do the exact same with 31. Just from my experience, most people buy 31 because, well, it's smaller and it fits better, but a lot of people do buy 36. I should say women buy 36. I would say this is more a woman's watch than a man's watch, if you're asking my opinion. Thank you.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below. and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.